A new home, a new life. So many things changing. Sights and sounds, new smells, strange food, complicated rules for living. Yet one thing remains the same: your love for your family. Mothers, sons, wives, and brothers. You want them all to be happy and healthy. We can help. Let us navigate this new world with you. Together, we can build healthier families and a healthier you. Around the world, people view time differently. Some cultures believe that different social interactions can occur at the same time. Other cultures believe that interaction with people is of a higher value than accomplishing tasks. In most parts of the United States, people schedule tasks and social interactions one at a time. For example, a person works from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. He has a doctor's appointment at 4:30 p.m. He plans to meet his banker at 6 p.m. and he is scheduled to meet his friends for dinner at 7 p.m. It is important for him to be on time to each of these appointments. Being on time shows respect to the person he is meeting. Their time is valuable. In the US, we tend to think that time is money, and we don't like to waste any time. We try to squeeze as many tasks as possible into each day. A doctor is a good example. He will try to see as many patients as possible during his workday because he gets paid for each patient he sees. If a patient is late for an appointment, the doctor loses money. That is one reason it is important for patients to be on time for doctor's appointments. In US culture, it is not polite to keep a person waiting. If we make an appointment to meet a friend for lunch at 11 a.m., we will both show our respect for one another by arriving at 5 minutes before 11. Employers expect their workers to be on time. If a worker is scheduled to work from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m., she is expected to be at work ready to start by 5 minutes before 7. Workers who come to work late may be fired. To learn how to schedule and keep appointments, it may be helpful for a person to start by thinking about all the tasks needed to keep that appointment. For example, if John has a doctor's appointment at 10 a.m. tomorrow, what steps should he think about in advance so that he can be on time to the appointment? He should think about what he wants to ask the doctor and write down his questions. He should make a list of all the medications he is taking. He should put his questions in the medication list in his wallet or bag. He should make sure he has a current health insurance card or money to pay for the doctor's appointment. He should decide how he will get to the doctor's office. Will he drive his own car or ask a friend for a ride? He should estimate how long it will take him to drive to the doctor's office. He should consider that traffic may slow him down. He should think about whether he will need to fill out paperwork when he arrives at the doctor's office. If it will take him 30 minutes to drive to the doctor's office, and he needs to fill out paperwork when he arrives, John should plan to leave his house by at least 9 a.m. That gives him time to arrive a few minutes early, even if traffic is slow, and fill out his paperwork before it is time for his appointment at 10 a.m. John may create a memory cue by placing his bag or wallet near the front door of his home. Or he may set an alarm for 8:45 a.m. to remind him that it is almost time to leave for the appointment. Scheduling also plays an important role in keeping appointments. Scheduling too many appointments in one day may make it impossible to be on time. Start by prioritizing the appointments you need. For example, going to the doctor for pain in your leg may be more important than going to the bank to set up a new account or taking your car to the shop for repairs. Make the most important appointments first. Estimate how much time that appointment will take, then allow plenty of time to get to your next appointment. It will be important to arrive at the second appointment on time, so you may even want to schedule it on a different day. Remember, being on time to appointments shows your respect for other people and helps maximize your own time and money. Working together to build healthier families and a healthier you.